What if I tell you there's an actual way you can make money right now by leaving your data connection on? Yes, you heard me right. In today's video, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you, how to make money with your smartphone. That smartphone you're holding right now, you can actually use it to make money by leaving your data connection on. And not only that, you can also connect it to as many smartphones as you want, and even your system are continuing to make money by leaving your data connection on. And if this is the first time you are joining this YouTube channel, you are welcome to Aditech FS. My name is Ajayi Daniel, and in this channel, I share updates on how to make money online, and also I share my personal trading journey and lessons that can help you to stay profitable in the forex market. So if this is the kind of content you like to watch, ensure you stick around to the end of this video, like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell notification. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, let's get into the video. So the two apps we are going to be using to make money is called Grass and NotPay. Now before we continue and before I show you guys how you can use this app, let me simply explain to you how this apps works. So imagine you have a Wi-Fi net connection at home. Sometimes it's sitting idle and you are not watching a video or downloading a file or even using your full speed. So both NodePay and Grass are programs that let you sell a little bit of that unused internet capacity to other companies. They are essentially creating a huge network of home internet connections. So basically you just have to install the app or browser extension if you are using a laptop, and this tool will share your unused internet connection. The app quietly uses the tiny bits of your internet that you aren't using, and the final goal is for you to earn points, which are expected to be converted to a real cryptocurrency when the project launch their main network, which you can sell and make money. So in a nutshell, it's just like a passive income app where you are renting out a tiny piece of your unused home internet connection, and the benefit is you are earning points or token. You are not earning real cash immediately, but once the app launches, you are able to make money. And I can remember early last year, is it last year January or this year January, when NotPay launched, I was able to make about $25, which is about 40,000 naira. So, and when Grass launched also, a lot of people made money from it, but I faded it. So that's why I'm updating you guys now. You can actually start accumulating points now by sharing your unused internet bandwidth, which is making your data connection active, and you continue to earn points, which you can be able to convert to real cash when this app launch their main token again. It's just like the tokens are already live, but once they launch their next TGE, that's the next TGE means the next period where you are able to convert the points to real cash. So let me quickly show you guys the apps that you need to download, which is NotPay. Let's start with NotPay. Alright, first thing you have to do is head into Play Store and download this particular browser on your phone. It's called Mises. So this browser allows you to mine any crypto network. Even if it doesn't support mobile version, you can switch it to desktop mode and it's going to work. In fact, all features that is available on Chrome browser on the desktop is available on this browser. So all you have to do is install this Mises browser, and also can install the NodePay app. It's actually on Play Store. This is the app. So I can actually update my own right now. So after that, you have to download Grass also. You have to download the Grass mining app also. So this is the app also. Let me update this also. So you just have to make these three apps ready. Now, next thing you have to do is head over to your Mises browser. And you can actually log into their website. You can sign up with NotPay. So I'll leave the link to this app in the description of this video for you to register. So all you have to do is search for notpay.app.notpay. I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video for you to just sign up So all you have to do is just log in with your Gmail and you're good. You are good. But I think it's going to ask you to sign up with your email and password. So as you can see right here, this is my dashboard. So all you have to do anytime every time you come every day to open this particular app, so all you have to do is just click on claim for you to claim your daily trial. Click on this claim. You can also do that on the app. I'm going to show you the app version right now. They are both the same, but you just have to process your registration first on this website before you can head on to start using the app to continue mining, right? It's on the app that you can be able to claim your mining. So now we are done with this place. Just to show you how this particular surface works. Then all you have to do is go back to the app. So the app is called what? NodePay. NodePay. So let's search for NodePay. So this is the NodePay app. So you guys can see. Now all I have to do is just click on this clip. So then it's going to add to my total node points balance. So in the next 59 minutes, each block will be completed. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can either decide to wait for all the blocks to complete, as you can see right here, and claim it, and you can allow 3 blocks to complete and come back and claim it. So it just depends on how far you can remember to claim. So that's all. We are done for NodePay. All you have to do is just, and next thing, you have to come to this mission and reward. Make sure you complete most of the tasks. There are some tasks here I've completed them. So all you have to do is just complete most of these tasks, and also you can click on more. Now let me show you my earnings. So you can see you have to connect your email, your wallet address, and that's all. So I think it's not showing my email, but let me show you guys my transaction history. So you can see how far I've been mining this thing. So I've been mining it for so long. So I want you guys to start mining this app, and also let's check grass also. So open your Mises browser again, and let's check grass also. So I'll leave the link of these two applications in the description of this video for you to sign up. So let's search for grass. Let's search for grass. So are you guys with me? Then just have to allow it to load. So can you guys see now? This is actually my earnings on grass right now, and this is their current level Epoch 12 earnings. So you guys can actually join this Epoch. It's just like a level by level earning process. So all you have to do is just make sure that this site is connected. So what I'm actually using to mine right here, this 880 you're actually seeing right here. This 880 you're seeing right here. So I'm using the grass app to mine it. You can actually use it on your system also. If you have a laptop, you can actually mine this on your laptop. So let's open the grass app also. Um, Grass. So this is actually the grass app. So you just have to allow it to load. This is actually it. You can see it's just connecting and it says connected. So I hope you guys can see. So when this app finally launched their TG, I think is around next year, which is 2026, around January 2026. So if you guys can be able to join and start mining this app, can be able to make good money when they launch their TG. So that'll be all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any question, kindly drop them in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond. Goodbye and see you on the next one.